Hey everyone, I have a few tips on how to germinate your celery seeds. If you're like me, it's not really working out the way that most people tell you to germinate them. Apparently celery, they require some sunlight. You don't want to sow them in too deep, so maybe surface level, and you have to keep the soil moist. Well, I don't have time to keep the soil moist sometimes, and it's a little difficult. So I found that the best method to germinate your celery seeds is to go ahead and try the paper towel and Ziploc baggie method. So just like all the other methods, all I'm doing is just wetting a paper towel. I just have a snack size baggie. That's all I really need. Fold the paper towel in half, so I want to provide some moisture so then the seeds have something to stick onto. And then go ahead and take my packet of celery seeds and let me get that focused. And then just sprinkle some, broadcast it around here. It's quite a few. Okay, so this way you'll be able to see which seeds actually germinate. You're not wasting your time waiting on some to pop up, and they'll stay moist because of the condensation that will happen within this bag. So I'm gonna pause really quickly so I can put this in here, or actually set this. Nope, can't set this down. Well, I'll pause really quickly and I'll put that into the bag. All right, so it's in the bag. I went ahead and sprayed inside the bag a few times to add some moisture. The reason that this works is because a lot of farmers for centuries found that soaking seeds helps with the germination process. Well, this is kind of similar. You're putting the seeds in a moist environment that you can ensure will stay moist. And in this way, you can also see which seeds germinate so that you can pick those out before they get too large and place them in the soil and have them germinate, continue the germination process from there. So hopefully that helps. I'll probably provide more updates as the time goes on and as I get some sprouts. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps. Bye. Hey everybody, just an update. I made a video on starting celery in the plastic bag to encourage germination, and here's an update on some of the seeds. As you can see, a lot has sprouted. There are some that are still not sprouting, but that's still a good turnaround. So yeah, I mean, they look a little leggy. I have seen videos where people have popped them in. I did take a piece and just added it to some soil either a couple days or sometime last weekend. I just added them to the soil and they're still growing. The paper retains the moisture, and I just covered the tops with some soil. And I did pop some inside a seed tray as well. Where are they? Right here. So once I saw there were some roots popping out of the seeds, I went ahead and just buried them inside the soil, and they were up. I might have to thin some eventually, and then hopefully it'll keep growing. I have heard that celery just takes forever to grow. But yeah, this is my update. I will follow up soon on how either this one or this or one of these are growing. I'll have to thin some of them as well here. And hopefully they do okay. I don't plan on planting more than 2 or 3 this season. Even though this is a lot that has sprouted. I might try to see how these do as well. I'll put 2 or 3 of these in some soil and then see how they fare at this stage. Yeah, so as you can see, definitely germinated. as opposed to just putting some seeds in soil and hoping that they pop up. Alright, so I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.